This Carpenter Realtors property video is presented by Diana Dunham. Lots of character with this charming traditional home. The original woodwork, 10 ceilings, transom windows over the kitchen and bathroom doors, newer flooring, the aluminum roof just installed, new PEX plumbing with the manifold. The bonus room on main floor with double doors and is presently being used as a bedroom. The smaller bedroom on main level is being used as a den. Kitchen has been updated. Kitchen appliances remain. Kitchen dining combo / breakfast nook. Nice size utility room. The upper level with lots of storage space, includes the loft area and 2 bedrooms. Home warranty is included. Easy to show. For more information, review the details below or contact Diana Dunham at 765-623-7113.